Control unit, keyless system, remote control learning, smart key learning. Your car battery is good, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yes. It's gonna erase the other key, okay?
Okay. That's okay, because I don't have it.
719855. Cool.
Oh, cool. So it wasn't that PIN number, huh? It was a different one?
No, it was the right one. Yeah. I don't know why that machine didn't work.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. You're a fucking genius. Your money is like right in that little cubby right there.
What's that? Oh, your money?
Yeah,
Oh.
no, right there. Sorry.
Let me get out of the car first, you know.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh my God, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Awesome.
Cool.
Oh my God, you are my favorite.
Oh,
That's
I got
so
you.
awesome.